Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable dynamic island on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the Play Store on your smartphone. Now from here, just search dynamic island. Now from here, just scroll down and install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to install the app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, tap on next. Now from here, just tap on select apps. Now from here, just tap on all. Now from here, just go back and tap on notification access. Now from here, just tap on dynamic spot. Now from here, just enable this option. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on allow. Now from here, just tap on draw on the screen and tap on allow. Now from here, tap on draw on screen and tap on next. Now from here, just tap on dynamic spot and enable dynamic spot. Now from here, tap on allow. Now from here, just tap on done. Now from here, just tap on the X icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on display button. Now from here, tap on allow. Now from here, just tap on display button one more time. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled dynamic island on our smartphone. Now from here, tap on position. Now from here, you can change the horizontal position of the dynamic island on the screen. Just like that. Now from here, you can change the vertical position of the dynamic island on your smartphone. Just like that. Now from here, if you scroll down, you can change the horizontal size of your dynamic island. Just like that. Now from here, you can change the vertical size of your dynamic island. Just like that. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and play a music. Now from here, if you go to your home screen, the dynamic island will show that you're playing a music. Just like that. And this is how you can enable dynamic island on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.